we ourselves heard this voice that came from heaven when we were with him on that sacred mountain. The transfiguration, that's what you're talking about, for those who are familiar with the story. And he's saying we've seen some miraculous things. We're not just making this up. But then he adds to it, verse 19. We also have the prophetic message as something completely reliable. So besides the fact I'm telling you what I saw, there's another piece of evidence. We have the prophetic message as something completely reliable. And you will do well to pay attention to it. Micah 5:2. But you, Bethlehem Ephrathah, though you are small among the clans of Judah, out of you will come for me one who will be ruler over Israel, whose origins are from old, from ancient times.